Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reset your password of your Tubi's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your Tubi account's password, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in tubitv.com and make a search. The official page of Tubi's account will appear on the screen. Click on Sign In at the top right corner of the page. The Sign In page of Tubi's account will appear on the screen. Tap on Forgot Password option. Enter your email address and tap on Reset My Password. A reset link will be sent to your email address. Open your mail and tap on Reset link sent by Tubi. On the next page, enter your new password. Confirm your new password by re-entering it and tap on Submit. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Log into your Tubi's account using your new password and login credentials, and that's how you will be able to reset your Tubi account's password quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.